the class valedictorian of the special science class, and Jaya Pei Boizon, the class valedictorian of the regular class.
To all the important people present here today, especially to our loving and ever-supportive principal, Sister Maria Cecilia Pinuela OP, to our dear Education Program Supervisor, Alternative Learning System, Dr. Ruth Hervero, to our dear Secretary General of the Dominican Sisters of the Most Holy Rosary of Philippines, Sister Maria Luz Mission OP, to our dear Alumni President, Dr. Mary Hambeline M. Horneja, to our dear PTA President, Mr. Wilson Dalid, to all the Dominican sisters, faculty and staff, to all the great, wonderful and proud parents, relatives, friends, and visitors, to our inspirational speaker, Mr. Jairus Anthony Duhelio, to all the successful fourth-year students, my batchmates and classmates, I would like to give appreciation for your presence and have a great day to all. 11 years behind since I entered school. I started as a kinder student in the country where I was born, namely Palau. After I finished my kindergarten, my parents decided to stay here in the Philippines for good. This was the beginning of my life as an Olfanian, where I continued my elementary life. I would like to share to you the worst part of my life as being an Olfanian. I think it was maybe some grade 1 ako. Because my classmates never dared to talk to me. Wala gid sila gid dare nga mag-istorya sa akon. Nabudlayan gid ko mag-gain some new friends. Bala nyo ko nga man. Kay some time na to, hindi pa ko kayo sindi Bisaya, hindi sila mag-istorya sa akon. Hindi pa ko English speaking pa ko sa tunga time. Since I don't want to be different from them, I did my best to learn how to speak the way they do. So pagka grade 2 ko, fluent na ko mag-Bisaya para hindi ako ma-OP. Well, years had passed. I'm done with my elementary life and soon entered high school. I met another set of new friends from different schools, lived in the upper part of the Alpha building, wore a different kind of uniform, and had different mothers and fathers inside the classroom. Hambal nila high school life. High school life is the best part and most memorable part of being a student, and I agree. I loved my high school life, but they also say ang lahat ay may katapusan. And my dear fellow graduates, hindi na gid mapunggan, our high school life is totally over. It's sad to think about it. It's sad to reminisce those happy years from the past where we used to smile and laugh together with the persons nga ginturing tanga utod ta sa iban nga naday kag tatay. And remembering the mistakes, mga salata-sadto, and misunderstandings we've gone through before would just give you a smile and make you laugh right now. Do mo realize mo, ay amo ko gali ni sa una, ay naobra ko gali ni, amo ko gali ni ka, wala, basta mo na to. My dear seniors, sa nagligad niya 4 ka tuig, we spent our life with school, with our classmates, schoolmates, and teachers. We meet each other 5 days a week, sakto? We spent more hours with them awake. Mas laban pa time naton sila nga bugtaw kita kay pagabot sa balay naton tulog. Te mas damok pa time naton nga na-spend sila kaysa sa aton family. We've met true friends, fake friends, close friends, best friends, and some their boyfriends and girlfriends. Diri man kung kisana kung pisa mga crush, kilig-kilig like what Mr. Jairo said on his speech a while ago. We also experience happiness, but sometimes anger. Enemies turn to best friends. Strangers sometimes turn to lovers, but sometimes friends turn to strangers. Before we totally say goodbye, I hope all misunderstandings would be cleared and a new friendship will be created. Enough of pride and anger, and just share love with each other. I hope after this graduation, we would leave our alma mater peacefully and thankfully with gratitude and happiness. Take your time to thank all the people that have been part of your high school life, your classmates, your teachers, your parents, school administrators, schoolmates. Goodbyes are not the end, yet because in every end, there's a new beginning. We'll still meet in the future if we want to. Before my ultimate goodbye, I would like to thank my following sponsors: for Wikipedia and Google for getting me here, for my supportive cousins that have been so busy in the preparation for this event, for my classmates that have been my friends for years. I love you all. Take care of yourselves when we'll be apart from each other. And never forget to be connected, though we're not together every day. Just always remember to send group messages once in a while. Be updated on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Let's do our best to be successful someday till we meet again and continue our plans. Our St. Rose Funeral Homes is never impossible if we want to and we believe that we could do it. Bisan ano man da sa uli, classmates, bisan hindi lang amo to mapatindog, bisan ano lang ang negosyo, wala gid problema basta may cooperation. Wala gid na problema. Never forget to pray every day to keep the evil spirits away. God bless and thank you sa tanan classmates ko. I love you. I would also like to thank our supportive relatives, friends, and visitors that made their best to be present on this special occasion of ours. In behalf of the group, we would like to say thank you to all our teachers sa tanan niya pag-antos, sa pagugtas sa amon kada adlaw, for being so understanding and loving bisan ano pa kami kadungol. I also would like to extend my thanks to all my teachers since my first grade up to now. Thank you for being part of my development of our personalities and for being our second parents. Thank you for all efforts to make sure that we learn the things we need to learn each day. I would like to congratulate all the teachers for being successful on sending us out of school. Subong nabuhinan naman inyong mga ulugtasan. Pati siyempre, you've been successfully molded 80 persons and you are officially part of their success someday. And now, they are ready to proceed to the next chapter of their lives. Thank you for being with us to give us guidance in climbing up the next step on our ladder of life. I would also like to personally thank my teachers that always ask me favors when they're busy. Ang mga permi nagasugo sa akon. Don't misunderstand me kung gapasalamat ako sa inyo. Kay happy lang ko kung magtuman sa inyong mga sugo. Kay I feel nga masaligan gid ko. Kung pwede mo malang isugo sa iba't saman sa akon gid. So thank you gid sa salig, ma'am, sir. Sister,
Dito lang, dito lang.
I would also like to thank Sister Cecil for being such a supportive and understanding principal. And if there's only more time, Sister, walaan ko, Sister, hindi ka gin magpaindi sa mga activities nga padulong para sa mga orphans. Kag thank you man, Sister, kay gitudloan mo kami kung ano ka importante mag-balance sa activities kag time. Thank you, Sister. And of course, I would like to thank the persons who suffer for 16 hours in the operating room, waiting for me to get out and allow me to see how beautiful the world is. The ones that gave me my short name, so when I grow old, I won't find it hard to write it on a paper. The ones who hardly stop themselves from helping me and just watching me when I fall down and get hurt, to let me learn stand by my own. The people who throw me to the deep waters of the beach and nervously watch me striving to get out of the water to find some air when I was a 1-month-old baby, because a midwife told them that it would help me when I grow up. I'll never be afraid of water and to be secure that I'm safe from drowning. The ones that first taught me how to speak and taught me about who God is. The people who'd leave me alone to take care of my 1-year-old sister when I was 5, though it's hard for them, but still, they trusted me because they need to earn money to sustain our daily needs. The people who would make sure that I'm always healthy and apply much effort in cooking delicious foods to eat. The ones who never fail in giving me the things I need: love, care, attention, trust, important material things, and education. This stuff is all about my parents. I may not be here talking in front of you without the give them what they need. Every time I get hurt and tired, I think of my father. I keep saying, kung nakapoy ka, paano si papa mo? Kapang luluyan niya tuwod, niya kalakuha na niya buhok sa ulo. Tapos ikaw makapoy-kapoy ka lang da nga nagpakabudlay gani siya pa eskwela sa imo. This success of being a class valedictorian is not because kay maalam ako. Hindi tungod I'm smart, not because I have a brilliant mind. Inspiration is really important in life. And I'm successful right now because I'm inspired by my family. I made it all the way here to give them what they deserve. It was 9 years ago when I last saw my father. Every night, I've been wishing that before again, lawag ako nga ngalan kagina diri sa stage. Before ako mag-umpisa marcha, may mapakita da nga tao sa kuha just in time to surprise me to march with me and to witness me get my diploma and medals. And after the graduation, I will put the medals on his neck and tell him, "Pa, thank you for everything. I offer my success to you and Mama, and we deserve to be happy." Then I hug them all, my family. But that is just an imagination that is impossible to happen. Okay lang, hindi man ako pinakauna nga valedictorian nga wala tatay siya graduation, di ba? Nothing's bad in dreaming. I know in this group, some of us may mga OFW man nga parents nga wala man ka-attend sa inyo graduation, wala kundi man lang ako. Ako nung tani, you just understand them that it's not their intention not to attend our graduation. But of course, they are thinking of our future. And they are striving hard to give us a convenient life. I would like to congratulate Mrs. Maria Victoria Coritico and Mr. Romeo Coritico for raising me up as a simple, responsible, and understanding person. I know you're proud of me, and I want you to know that I'm more prouder of you. You deserve to be happy, so stop crying. And lastly, malipatan ko pa ba niya siya? Abaw hindi gid-wigi. Wala kita tanan kung wala siya. I would like to sincerely thank God for everything, all the blessings and graces we receive from Him. Thank you, Lord, for being present in everything we do, in all the failures and successes we've gone through. To God be the glory. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day and God bless.